Good morning, Year 6. So today we're going to be looking at odd and even numbers. Specifically, we're going to be looking at how you can identify whether a number is odd or even. So, first of all, how would you find out if the number 7 was an odd or an even number? What would you do to find this out? Just have a think for a few seconds. Could you use some apparatus maybe? Could you do a drawing? How could you find the number 7, whether it's odd or even? Okay, so you could try and split it into two equal groups. So I've drawn a line here, and this is going to be one group, this is going to be another group. And I'm going to split the number 7 into these two groups. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So now I'm going to count how many dots I've got in each group. So in this group, I have got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And in this group, I have got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I can see that my two groups are not even, they're not equal. Okay, so this means that the number 7 is an odd number. I would need to have the same amount of dots in each group for my number to be even. Okay, because it means it can be split equally into two groups. Odd numbers cannot. So this means that every even number would be in the 2 times table and every odd number wouldn't, because odd numbers cannot be shared into two equal groups, whereas even numbers can. So if you know your 2 times table really well, you will be able to identify really quickly which numbers are even, because they will be in that times table. So use this method to investigate whether the number 26 is even or odd. So you've got your two groups, and every time you count, you would move groups. So you'd do 1 in that group, 2 in that group, 3 in that group, 4 in that group, and so on and so on. Pause the video now and have a go at investigating this. Okay, let's have a look then, shall we? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, so I've got to my number 26, so I can stop counting now. So now I'm going to add up the totals in each group. So in this group, I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? And in this group, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? So because I have got the same amount of dots in each group, that means that my number is even. Well done if you also thought that. Have a go at this one. Using the same method, can you tell me whether 43 is even or odd? Pause the video now and have a go. Okay then, let's have a look. So we're going to do the same method again. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay, so I've got to my number 43, so I can stop counting. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up each of my groups. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 in this group. And in this group, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 in this group. So my two amounts are different. So what does that mean? That's right, it means it is an odd number. Well done. Have a go at this one. So using the same method, can you tell me whether 34 is even or odd? Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, let's have a look. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, let's count them up then. So in this column, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And in this column, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So my numbers in both columns are the same. Therefore, that means that my number is even. Well done if you got that correct. Finally, use this method again to investigate whether the number 10 is even or odd. Pause the video now and have a go. Okay then, let's have a look. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I can stop there because I've reached my number, which is 10. Let's count up each column. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this column. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this column. So my numbers are the same in each column. Therefore, the number 10 is even. Well done, Year 6. Let's move on. So, all even numbers end in the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. And all odd numbers end in the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Okay? So this would mean that the number 246 is even because the last digit, the digit in the ones column, is a 6. And 6 is one of our even numbers. Okay? This would mean that 344 is also even because it ends in a 4, which is one of our even numbers. But the number 677 is odd because it ends in one of our odd numbers. Okay, so it's all about the last digit of your number. If it's more than a one-digit number, you need to look at the ones column, the ones digit, and work out whether that is odd or even. And that will tell you if your whole number is odd or even. So what I would like you to do is now draw a line down your page to create two columns and label them odd and even. Then I would like you to order the following numbers into odd and even sets. Use your knowledge of what odd and even numbers end in to help you. Okay, so let me show you. So I'll just move these numbers over a little bit just so that then I can draw you a table. So you are going to draw a line down your page like this. Then on one side you are going to label it odd. Like that. Then on the other side you are going to label it even. Okay, like this. Then underneath each column you're going to put the numbers to show whether they are odd or even. So for example, the number 13 is odd, so I'll put it under my odd column. Okay, 654 is even, so it would go under my even column. What I would like you to do now is I would like you to place the rest in the table. So pause the video and have a go. Okay then, let's have a look. So these ones here are your odd numbers because they end in a 7, a 3, a 3, a 3, a 5 and a 1. And these ones here are your even numbers because they end in an 8, a 4, a 4 and a 2. So I'll just leave that up there for a second just so you can check your own answers. Okay then, let's move on. So this question says, which number pieces are odd? Explain why. Find or draw other odd and even pieces. What do you notice? Okay, so ignore this last bit. You don't need to do this last bit. I'd like you to identify which of these are odd and which of these are even. And can you think of a reason why? Okay, so remember in Numicon the wholes represent a number. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wholes, so that represents the number 5. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wholes, so that represents the number 6. And you've got 1, 2, 3 wholes, so that represents the number 3. Pause the video, see if you can identify which are odd and which are even, and explain why. Okay, let's have a look. So the green and yellow number pieces are odd. I know this because they do not split equally into two equal groups. So for example, if I drew my line down the middle of these, like we've been drawing on our page to split them into equal groups, okay, and I count up how many are in each group. Here I've got 2 and I've got 3. Here I've got 3 and I've got 3. And here I've got 1 and I've got 2. So the only one that has got two columns the same, two equal columns, is this one here. So that means that this one is the only even one. The other two are odd because they've got different amounts in each column. Okay, so this is your last question for today. So it says spot the mistakes. So they've drawn an odd and an even table. And in here we've got the number 9, 6, 5, 3, 3, 1 and 50, because that's a 50 pence. And in this one, in the even column, we've got 4, 8, 25, 3, 10 and 30. Okay, so can you decide where the mistakes are and can you correct them? Ignore this bit, I don't want you to do this bit today. Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, let's have a look. So the 50p and the number 6 are in the wrong column because they are not odd, because 50 ends in a 0 and the number 6 is even. Okay, and in the even column 25 and 3 are incorrect. They should be in the odd column because 25 ends in a 5, which is odd, and also the number 3 is odd. Well done if you got that correct. Well done today, Year 6. I'll speak to you again soon.